bounds.
Today I'm going to show you how you can solve this 3x3 Rubik's cube. So let's go and scramble the sides. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how you can solve this 3x3 Rubik's cube. Now take the white centerpiece upside down and a yellow side in front of you. Now find white pieces like this and bring it to the yellow center's right side, and like this bring the other three pieces of white in here. Okay, like this. Okay. Now as you can see, you have to make it look like this. Now for the side, and you can see here is a red, and find a red piece and scroll down the white piece in like 360-degree angle. Okay, like this. Now find do this same for the other pieces. Find the same piece, same center piece, same. Okay, the 360-degree angle. Again do this for the rest of the two. And you will see a plus, and the center piece and the side piece are the same in here. Now find the corner piece and bring the white corner pieces here. Okay, first white corner piece, and you have to make sure that the center piece and the corner piece here is the same color. Okay, now scroll it left side, and now scroll down, then scroll again like this, and then scroll up. Yes. Now do this the rest of the corner pieces like this. Okay, to bring this okay, let's do that later. Okay, this blue, here is blue. Okay, now like this, and then next one by wire. Okay, this. Okay, to bring this down, you need to scroll down, scroll right side, and then scroll up, and you will see that this thing here in the right corner. Now it's already matching color, so let's take this piece in here. Okay, and the last one is the last one here. Okay, find the same color. Okay, here center piece and the corner pieces are the same. Now do this the same way, right side, bring it down, then again, and then take it up, and now you will see that it's completely solved, and one line is also solved, and the center piece. Now you need to do is solve these middle pieces. Okay, to solve this, find the colors of the pieces without yellow. Write these pieces like this piece. Yes, like this piece. You cannot take this piece in the first time. You have to take the with the color of without yellow. Okay, now take the blue to the blue corner. Okay, now what is red? If you find this side piece same color, then you have to do is scroll right side and put your right hand thumb here, and then scroll left side from the down scroll, and then bring down, and now the piece here, and you need to change the piece. Okay, like this. Okay, now bring up, and another thing, you will see the white side is scrambled. You need to fix this like this. Okay, it's solved, and you will see that the blue piece is here. Now for the next piece is here, bring it here. You will see green piece should go here. Okay, to bring this piece here, you need to do is left side and put your left thumb. Now scroll down and bring the middle piece here, and now scroll up and solve the white side again. Okay, now again like this. Okay, to bring this piece here, scroll right side, place your right thumb, scroll downward and scroll down, and then okay, now scroll up, and again fix the right side. Okay, now and last one remaining. Bring down, put your right thumb here, scroll down, and scroll middle and scroll up. Now solve the white corner. Okay, now you will see that it's already solved the white side and the two line of the puzzle. Okay, now you will find this. Okay, if you don't find this, if you find a straight line or a plus, then don't worry, I will give you some formula that will solve your problem. Okay, now first formula, you need to apply the first formula. I will give you in here. Watch the video. Okay, use this formula to solve the puzzle. Okay, now then, front clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise. Okay, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. After finishing the formula, you will find a fish, and take the fish and like face the head in front of you and take a yellow in front. I think there's no yellow, so apply a formula. I have given this, apply this formula. Okay, let's go. Right side, right counterclockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up 2 times, and then right counterclockwise. And now you will find a piece of yellow in front of you, and the fish are facing you. Now the next thing, again do the same formula. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up 2 times, and then right counterclockwise. You will see that our yellow has been solved, and you will see it's also been solved. If this doesn't solve, then you have to do one more round this formula, okay? And then to solve the corner pieces, again give another formula like this. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.